Helping your cat. Dealing with vomiting.
Hello there. In today's discussion, we'll delve into an important topic that concerns many cat owners: your cat vomiting white foam and clear liquid. It can be alarming to see your feline friend in distress, but with the right steps and knowledge, you can help them effectively.
Why is my cat vomiting white foam and clear liquid?
When your cat vomits white foam or clear liquid, it could be due to a variety of reasons. Hairballs, gastritis, dietary indiscretion, or even a more serious underlying health issue could be at play. So, it's essential to observe your cat's behavior and symptoms closely.
What should I do if my cat vomits?
The first step is not to panic. Vomiting is a common symptom in cats and can often be resolved easily. However, if your cat vomits repeatedly, is lethargic, loses appetite, or shows other signs of distress, consult a vet immediately. Your vet is the best person to determine the cause and prescribe the appropriate treatment.
How can I prevent my cat from vomiting?
Here are some tips to help prevent future incidents. 1. Maintain a consistent diet. Switching your cat's food abruptly can cause upset stomach and vomiting. Introduce new food gradually to prevent this. 2. Control hairballs. Regular grooming can reduce hairball formation, which is a common cause of vomiting in cats. 3. Monitor your cat's eating habits. Some cats eat too quickly or overeat, which can lead to vomiting. Smaller, more frequent meals can help in such cases.
Can home remedies help?
While home remedies can sometimes help, they should not replace professional veterinary care. If your cat's symptoms persist or worsen, it is crucial to seek veterinary help immediately. Remember, it's always better to be safe than sorry when it comes to your pet's health. Taking care of a vomiting cat can be challenging, but with the right approach, you can manage it effectively. Monitor your cat's behavior, maintain a consistent and healthy diet, and most importantly, don't hesitate to seek professional help when necessary. We hope this video was informative and helpful to you, and we wish your feline friend a quick recovery.